Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Daliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I'm going to do something new for you people. Today I'm going to epilate my hair with the help of an epilator from Braun. I am using this epilator from last 1.5 years and this is in the Silk Epil 7 range. I got this from Health and Glow at a very reasonable price. Right now it is available on Nykaa at 4,997. You can buy from here itself. It has two attachments. One is this and one is this one. Bigger attachments which can be plugged just in this with the help of this button here. And then you get 6 heads to use this. One is this smaller one is for upper lips and chin, one is again for hands and legs, one more again, and one is just a trimmer. You can use according to your requirement whichever heads and whichever area you are epilating your hair from. So I will give you a demo on this and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this epilator, and do you also have such type of epilators or you prefer waxing. I have properly stopped waxing from last 1.5 years and I am relying just on this baby right here for epilating my hair from the entire body. To start off, I'm going to use the wet wipes which I've already got in this epilator package. You get 16 wet wipes in this. I'm going to remove one wipe from this packet and I will wipe my entire hands. I'm just going to roll up my sleeves and I'm going to use my wet tissue to just wipe off any dirt and moisture from my hands with the help of this tissue before I start off with epilating the hair. Now I'm going to switch this on. You get this circular button here. You can just press the button and start. See, this has already started. You also get the indicator lights here, green and red, so that you will be notified if the battery is going to die. I'm going to start it. You can switch the levels according to your need. This is very smooth. This is just like a butter spatula. You know when you apply butter on bread in the morning for breakfast, this is just like that. I'm just rolling it like I'm just applying butter on my hand. This is very easy. If you get used to it once, this is the best thing, best invention I feel. According to your hair growth, you can switch either this way or this way. I have done with one hand. I'm going to start this hand right here. So, you saw how easy it was to epilate your hands at home. No jhanjat, no need of waxing. You can just use this epilator and you are done. You're good to go. I really love the process of epilating, then waxing, waiting in line in the salons and wasting your time and then coming home late. It's better you buy this baby hair or any range from this Braun epilators and you will be delighted, you will be happy to use this. After I have done with epilating my hands, I am going to use body butter from Plum. This is the wild cherry and kiwi body butter. This is the amazing fragrance which you can use. This is going to moisturize my hands. I'm going to rub it in between my fingers and then apply it on my hands to massage my hands thoroughly so that I don't get any redness or dry patches because of the epilation process. This will keep your skin moisturized and very baby soft skin. You're going to love this process of epilation once you are addicted to it. I really love epilating my hands and getting rid of my hair very easily and at a very reasonable cost and no janjat of waiting in line in the salon. If you like my content, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below what all type of videos you want to see on my channel. I'll be very happy to create it for you people. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.